Okay, so let's start our lesson. So first thing to learn about Chinese characters should be 你好. And I think it's just a really common thing that you learn, like say hello. Okay, let me just quickly explain this for you. So this 你 means you. Okay, 你, and this means 好. That means good. Okay, and you know, typing all this pinyin is kind of boring. So here is a nice trick for you. So if you got certain characters, okay, you copy that. You go to the Google or whatever search engine that you prefer, and you just search character pinyin converter, okay, and you are going to get, to be honest, a lot of results. Just to choose the one that you think is like a quick, like this one I think is pretty good. Turn Chinese into pinyin, okay? Paste it, 你好, alright? So convert, okay? Then we got 你好, automatically typed. And yeah, you can like change that to different formats, okay? So you can get something like this, okay? So if you convert, it should give you this format, 你好, okay? So then you can successfully copy it, then go back here, and then you can automatically add it. So it can save you a little bit time of typing, and yeah, I really like it. And of course, there are a lot of system that you can just type it and automatically show. Even like get a whole browser automatically show it. You just need to search for it. Okay, so I believe because like I got no affiliation with all this platform. Okay, because I'm a developer myself, but they can just develop it. It doesn't really matter. But you can choose whatever you want. Okay, and then it's a 你好. But here's the thing. If you speak this way, it's pretty weird. And as I said multiple times, you're going to speak naturally. So 你好, that's like a three, like a tone, the third tone, like going down, going up. If two combine them together, it becomes pretty hard for human, not just the Chinese, but everyone to pronounce. So they change it to 你好. So ni, so become the second one. So here's a rule: if two third tone combine them together, the first will go to the second tone. Okay, but when you actually write it down, you can still write this way. But when you actually read it, you can say 你好. So it's like a second tone going up, and then 好, 你好. So it's like 你好, 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 你好. Sometimes you might hear people like say, like quickly replicate this. 你好, 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 你好. So that's really really native. Okay, it's like 你好. That's kind of too formal. Okay, normally we would say, so for example, it's like a businessman. Okay, so 你好, 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 你好. That means that something like that. It's like hello, 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 something like that. Okay, some countries have a different thing about repetition. So, for example, let me just give you something interesting here. So, for example, if there in Japanese there is the thing called hai. Okay, so if let me just type it down for you folks. So there will be hai. Okay, that means when you talk Japanese, that's hai, hai. So this hai, hai, something like that. Okay, so let me compare this. Okay, so hi means that yes, I'm listening and all that. 你好 is like hello. Okay, sometimes we repeat 你好, like 你好, something like that. But the repetition in Chinese does not mean anything negative. Okay, it's a pretty welcoming and pretty, to be honest, pretty native way of saying things. It's just to keep everything like chill and informal and show. To be honest, we'll repeat, show respect. Okay, this is kind of a way of show respect. But here's the thing: in Japanese, sometimes if you repeat certain things, it can like become disrespectful, like show that you're frustrated. So for example, hi, that's as I already know that, okay, hi. But if that hi, that will be like a very good. Like I'm listening, I'm showing respect. Okay, so don't worry if you from like a Japanese backgrounds or you already know Japanese. Okay, you are not required to just say it once, like a crisply say it once, like 你好. You don't need to do that. Okay, you can actually say 你好. Okay, hello, 你好, something like that. You can change it, make it slow, make it quick, make a repetition. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Sometimes you can say, if you want to add a little bit, it's like a girlish way of saying things. You can say 你好呀. Let me change that to Chinese. Okay. I'm multilingual, so I use a lot of language, like a different language, like different example. So for example, you can say, add a little bit 你好呀. Okay. 你好呀. Yeah, you add at the and that means hello. Okay, it's just in Chinese we call that like 一个语气. Okay, that's just a way of saying this. Okay, it's like you are expressing that hello, something like that. Okay, it's just a kind of feeling. 你好呀. Like for example, if you speak to kids, 你好呀,小朋友, like hello kids, something like that. So you can add a ya to just to make it more, cute. Okay, or 你好哇, something like that. Okay. Also, a 你好啊,你好呀, something like that. It's just like a girlish way of speaking. And of course, if you speak to kids, of course, I'm a man. I also can speak this way. Just add a little bit, cuteness. Okay, but we seldom see a bearded man like pretend to be cute. You said, but everyone can be cute. So this is a really formal way. You can say 你好,你好,你好,你好, 你好. And repetition. Yeah, of course you can do that. Or you can say 你好呀. Okay. Sometimes in internet culture, we might say 你好呀 like this. Okay. So like a really cute way, like internet mean teenager like talk. Okay. Or something like they sometimes, because ya also can have the same pronunciation of this. This is like a duck. Okay, the right side is a bird. Okay, 鸟. Left side is a 甲. 甲 means the first one, like 甲乙丙丁. So like a ranking system. But if you combine them together, like the 甲鸟, that's a very good bird. That's that's a duck. Okay, so sometimes in internet culture we might say 你好呀, like just like a, because if you add ya, it's a cute way of saying things. So why not change that ya to exact the same pronunciation but different character as like a dog, and we got a lot of emoji like a duckling, like a 你好呀, something like that. There's a lot of internet culture thing going on here. So next time when you actually talk to Chinese and they say something like this, it's not saying you are a duck and hello duck, but rather just a friendly way of saying 你好呀. Okay, so it's just exactly the same pronunciation, but with a different character and it show different meaning. But remember, this is the internet culture sort of a thing. Okay, normally you would say 你好. This is like a formal way of saying, or 你好呀. That's a correct way, but a little bit cute of saying things. Okay.